Hey children, how are you all doing? Welcome back to our YouTube channel where we dive deep into the world of literature. Today, we are exploring one of the most powerful work in American literature. I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings by Maya Angelou. This remarkable poem speaks to the human experience of resilience and hope in the face of oppression and discrimination. But But that's not all. In this video, we have also included a series of multiple choice questions to test your knowledge and understanding of the poem. So, get ready to flex those literary muscles and join us on this journey of self discovery and enlightenment through beautiful poems. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So, the poem is like this. I know why the caged bird sings. A free bird leaps on the back of the wind and floats downstream till the current ends, and dips his wing in the orange sun rays and dares to claim the sky. But a bird that stalks down his narrow cage can seldom see through his bars of rage. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. The cage bird sings with a fearful trill of things unknown but longed for still, and his tune is heard on the distant hill, for the caged bird sings of freedom. The free bird thinks of another breeze, and the trade winds soft through the sighing trees, and the fat worms waiting on a dawn bright lawn, and he names the sky his own. But a caged bird stands on the grave of dreams. His shadow shouts on a nightmare scream. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. The caged bird sings with a fearful trill of things unknown but long for still, and his tune is heard on the distant hill, for the caged bird sings for freedom. So, children, here we will quickly revise the poem, the meaning of the poem. Here it goes like this. Maya Angelou's poem, I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings, is a powerful metaphor for the experience of oppression and desire for freedom. The poem describes two birds, one that is free and able to soar and explore the world, and while the other is trapped in a cage and unable to move freely. The free bird represents those who have the freedom to live their lives without fear or oppression, who are able to enjoy the world around them and pursue their dreams. The caged bird, on the other hand, represents those who are oppressed or held back in some way, whether it be by society, politics, or any other form of restriction. The caged bird longs for freedom but is unable to attain it, so he expresses his desire through his song, which can be heard by others even from a distance. The poem suggests that even though the caged bird may never be able to achieve freedom, his voice and his spirit remain unbroken, and his desire for freedom persists. Overall, the poem is a powerful commentary on the human experience of oppression and the yearning for freedom. And it highlights the importance of standing up against the oppression and fighting for the rights of all individuals to live their lives freely and without fear. So, this is a quick revision for you all, children, about the meaning of the poem. And here comes our multiple choice questions. So, go through the questions. Answers are given in the following slides. I will be providing you a series of videos. I think it will be two or three more videos based on the multiple choice questions for this particular poem. Children, you can pause the video in between if you feel it's little fast so that you can read the questions. I hope these questions will be helpful in your exams. Always try to solve MCQs, children, only once you complete the syllabus or the poem that you want to practice. Because once you read everything carefully and then come to solve the questions, it will be more beneficial for you all. Here and there will be repetition of questions because sometimes the same question is framed in different ways so that you get confused. So I have also framed the similar type of questions in different ways. So in whichever way the examiner asks, you should be able to answer it. So always read the question carefully, what exactly the examiner wants to know. I hope these videos would prove helpful for you all. Don't forget to like and share the videos. The questions will be very simple, children. It's just the way you read them and understand them and then carefully answer these questions. It's a beautiful poem to understand the problems in the society. These videos are mainly for the purpose of revision. This poem is all about oppression and the longing for freedom. In coming videos, I will be teaching you. Right now, I'm providing you these questions so that you can make use of it in, for your exams. This poem is having four main figures of speech: imagery, metaphor, personification, repetition. You all must know the meaning of these figures of speech. Repetition is a figure of speech where a particular line is repeated to convey a particular message in the poem. If you all have the workbook of Treasure Trove by Xavier Pinto, these questions are mainly based on your syllabus books prescribed in syllabus as well as the workbook. So thank you children. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Hope I'm able to help you for your exams. Thank you so much everyone.